Yeah. I can't lift this. No, sir. Oh, and of course. I can't lift this. I have to bring my drawers. Yes, sir. Yo, what going, brother?
Hey! Where you going, my G?
Back at my yard. Miss Rona are going too bad in America, brother. Me I go back to Jamaica.
Yeah. I don't think you should go, bro.
What?
Yeah, bro, Jamaica not safe.
Oh, you mean Jamaica not safe?
America says that Jamaica got corona, so we shouldn't go. It's right here. It's right here. I can show you. I can show you.
Yo, let me see this.
Yeah, I'm sorry, bro, but Jamaica got more corona than a Cinco de Mayo party, my guy.
Reconsider travel to Jamaica due to health and safety measures and COVID-related conditions.
Yeah, it's not safe. Where you think Jamaica import the COVID from? America's biggest export of 2020 is corona. I'm not talk about beer. Calm down, Buju. Youth, don't tell me for calm down. More want a dragon stout. More want a red stripe. More want real nephew. More apple stout.
Dog, what you just do?
Dog, what the I sneeze just sneezing on my face, youth.
Oh shit.
Oh shit? Oh shit what? I bet in the bathroom you want using a youth. You gotta promise that you're not gonna be mad. Alright? So, a few days ago, I was at this party, right? And I hooked up with this one girl at the party. And she had a cough. But I swore the cough was from the choking. Oh shit. Run.
Yo, you see that?
Yo people them, I just want to give a special shout out to Say My Name Bling. I want to say thank you very much for this necklace with my name on it, me rotted Yaadman. Yo, I want to say thank you very much, and I just want to say, people them, if you order something from Say My Name Bling, you can get 10% off by using the promo code Yaadman. Just like what's at my necklace, people them. Yo, Say My Name Bling, thank you very much for this gift.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Oh, you mean people them don't know see your favorite YouTuber? The man who you girl them wish I did them baby father. A joke. Yo, people them don't know see a Yaadman Etan. And look here, so today we're talking about this travel advisory that the United States has put out against, against Jamaica. About this travel advisory, it's not just about, the ongoing, pandemic. This travel advisory also mentions things about, safety and, the nature of crime in Jamaica. It also says that Americans should avoid certain places listed in Kingston, Montego Bay, and the whole of Spanish Town. So I know one girl who was trying to lure me into Spanish Town one time. I'm gonna tell her no, and she thought that I was crazy. Jamaican people, comment down below about Spanish Town. But this is not about the crime. This has put Jamaica to a level 3. Keep in mind that the travel advisories goes up to 4 levels. Because of COVID, Jamaica is on the 3rd level, which is reconsider travel. America is saying that because of COVID and crime, reconsider travel to Jamaica. I hope you guys enjoyed the skit that I did earlier. Now, please keep in mind, my skits are just for shits and giggles. I have some people who probably them feelings. Well, too bad. But this is the reality that Jamaica has been facing. The reality of Jamaica's COVID cases have been imported. Corona has been imported like bottles of beer at this point. Cases upon cases. The case then just a pile upon one another. And then when they go to a party, it just pick up a case of COVID, of corona. Yeah, beer. As of this recording, because I'm pretty sure that by the time this video goes out, the cases are going to rise. But as of this recording, Jamaica has 1,031 total cases, right? And we have 745 people who have recovered from COVID-19 in Jamaica. We've had 14 deaths, and currently there are 272 people who are actively sick, who have been confirmed to have COVID-19 in Jamaica. Despite local transmission, the majority of the cases have been coming fresh off the plane. Now, there's been a lot of people locally who've been criticizing the Jamaican government, saying, yo, we need to go back under lockdown. And the thing is, I do understand that people want to protect themselves and protect their community. You know, and Jamaicans really do have a high sense of community, especially when this is something that is out of our control that is being brought into our country. But I also believe that a lot of people don't realize how much this affects our economy. A lot of people are saying that, yo, the Jamaican government only care about money, blah, blah, blah. The reality is Jamaica's economy unfortunately depends on tourism. And tourism affects so many other industries, you get me? For example, like farming. And if the economy gets too out of control,
we have to pay over $1,000 Jamaican for a head of cabbage.
Alright, I'm calm down. But Jamaicans such as myself who are living in the United States know it rough for us because I'm trying to get home. I'm trying to do things that I cannot do here. I know it's like I'm stuck in a quarantine, and by the time me need to go to Jamaica, me need to get tests up here, so then me need to get tested in Jamaica, and then me don't know who actively sick on the plane. It's just a bag of mess. The point is, pandemics are going to affect the third world more than anywhere else. So Jamaicans, please be safe. The people that are going to Jamaica, don't bring no beer with you.